Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our webinar today on Invaluable Data Insights, Streamlining using Looker Studio and Google BigQuery. I'm Shahab Niaz. I'm working as a staff data engineer at Xgrid. So, who is this webinar for? This webinar is for data-driven decision makers, data analysts, BI professionals, managers and executives that are working in professional and e-commerce retail industries. So basically, anyone working with the data, trying to pull out some trends, analytics, and visualizations, they can see the potential of Looker Studio, how it can be used to create easy visualizations and can be used for KPI tracking and business performance metrics. Let's dive into our success story that we have built on Looker Studio. We have created a dashboard for e-commerce and retail industries. We should quickly go over the problem that we think is at hand with these industries that we have targeted. The e-commerce, retail, and wholesale industries face different challenges that hinder their operational efficiency and growth. The common challenges that are faced by these industries are sales revenue tracking, absence of a single point of view for business stakeholders, difficulties in identifying best-selling products, understanding of business growth over time. Let's take a look at a dataset that was provided to us from one of our clients. This dataset particularly represents an event of order or a sale transaction that can be marked an e-commerce, retail, or wholesale business. The attributes that we have selected or used for our dashboard and analytics: invoice number, stock code, product description, quantity, invoice date, unit price, customer ID, country. Given these set of information and parameters and attributes, we can predict and dig out a good amount of visualizations and metrics that can be used for business performance evaluation. Let's quickly talk about what is a KPI. A KPI is a quantifiable measure of performance over time. We have extracted such KPIs from this particular dataset that we will be continuing to display in our dashboard ahead. We have selected revenue. We have selected average order value. We have chosen product sales by category. We will be looking at regions, customers, and product profits. We will be looking at geographical distribution of orders as well. Once we identified these KPIs, we also generated SQL formulas which we computed on Google BigQuery to produce these KPIs that we used in our dashboard. Let's now take a look at the dashboard that we have created. So you can see there are customers, total customers on the top left. There is total revenue. There is average transaction value. There is average unit price value. We can see the best selling products with the amount of units sold over the time. We can see the best products by revenue, by total revenue a product has generated over time. We can see a time graph of average unit price over past 6 months. We can also see the revenue time graph that is spanned and distributed to last 6 months. On the top right, we have an informative pie chart of how much is the revenue distribution among different regions of the orders that are coming from. On the below right, we have a geographical distribution of our orders and data. It's a heat map of how much concentration of events or transactions that we are receiving from a particular region of the world. If we talk about the dashboard further, we have also identified a couple of use cases that we will be discussing in detail. Use case 1 is for retail industry, increasing customer lifetime value and optimizing product pricing. Let's explore how our solution can benefit the retail industry. One of the key use cases is optimizing product pricing and increasing customer lifetime value. In the retail industry, pricing plays an important role in driving sales and profitability. With Looker Studio, we can analyze the sales data in Google BigQuery, and we can see the trends and see the optimizations that are available for product pricing. By analyzing the data, we can target the price factors and identify the profitable products. We can also visualize the relationship between sales and price volumes, enabling retailers to make data-driven decisions when setting the prices. Additionally, we can use customer segmentation for better pricing strategies. By analyzing customer data such as purchase history and demographics, we can identify high-value customer segments and offer targeted pricing promotions to increase customer lifetime value. Our dashboards provide insights into customer behavior, allowing retailers to identify cross-selling and upselling opportunities. By understanding customer preferences and purchase patterns, retailers can tailor marketing campaigns and offers to increase customer loyalty and lifetime value. With this solution, retailers can optimize product pricing, personalize marketing strategies, and ultimately drive higher profitability by maximizing customer lifetime value. The second use case that we have selected for this webinar is for e-commerce industries. The problem we have identified for e-commerce, retail, and wholesale businesses are following. Businesses face effective sales revenue tracking, inadequate visibility into region-wise sales percentages, the absence of a comprehensive single point of view for business stakeholders, difficulties in identifying the best-selling products, challenges in determining the revenue generated by different products, and the absence of a clear understanding of business growth over time. The title for this is Enhancing Supply Chain Operations and Forecasting Sales. Let's now shift our focus to the e-commerce industry and explore how this dashboard can enhance supply chain operations and forecasting sales. In the e-commerce industry, efficient supply chain operations are crucial for timely order fulfillment and customer satisfaction. Our solution provides valuable insights into inventory levels, order fulfillment times, and supplier performance. By analyzing the data, e-commerce businesses can identify bottlenecks in the supply chain, optimize inventory management, and improve overall operational efficiency. Looker Studio's visualization help identify area for improvement, such as reducing order processing times and optimizing stock replenishment. Furthermore, it enables businesses to forecast sales by analyzing historical sales data and identifying sales trends. Accurate sales forecasting allows e-commerce companies to better plan inventory levels, allocate resources efficiently, and avoid stockouts or overstocking situations. By leveraging its forecasting capabilities, e-commerce businesses can also make informed decisions regarding production, purchasing, and marketing strategies. This ultimately leads to improved profitability and customer satisfaction. We have also identified some business impacts of this exercise. We have observed the following: improved campaign success ratio, enablement of business data teams, and enhanced business metrics visibility. Thank you for joining us today. Feel free to reach us out on our email or website if you would like to know more about how our data engineering solution can benefit your specific industry use case. Thank you.